There's always one greedy horse. Hello. It looks like you get the carrot then. Freshly made quesadillas on another beautiful Easter day. What's on the menu tonight, Ryan?
Red Thai chicken curry.
Over the fire?
Yep.
So we're just prepping the veggies.
Best way to do it.
Yum. Also, these things are the best. Saves you having cans. So tell us how long you've been cooking it and stuff.
How long?
Hmm.
Probably about an hour and a bit. Maybe hour 20. I lost track of time. About 2 beers and a CC. There's
Oh yeah?
another. Toad.
Oh, he's a little baby cane toad. So this is the reality of camping off grid and trying to conserve water. All the dishes in one go.
I hate it.
It drives him mad, but gotta do what you gotta do. Well, we're all packed up and ready to go to our next destination. We've just spent a lovely few days at a Hipcamp over Easter. Relaxing, not much footage because we didn't do that much.
No, I didn't do anything.
We cooked food over the fire, we played lots of games.
Plenty of drinks.
Yeah, that's about it.
Yeah.
But it was lovely and really like this spot.
Probably
She's
come
got,
back.
yeah, I reckon we'll come back again sometime, maybe when it's not so hectic.
Yeah.
She's got her horses wandering around, it's lovely. So, but yeah, really good. Okay, so we are in Burrum Heads, and when we were driving in we thought we knew where we were going to stay today.
But
And then we drove past another place on the way and we were like, oh, that looks really good, and we just couldn't get it out of our mind, could we?
no. So we go on there.
So the good thing about being flexible is you can change your mind whenever you want. So we're heading to, what's it called?
Trinity
Lakes?
Lakes or
Trinity
Trinity
Island?
Islands or something, yeah.
Trinity Islands. So we're going to head there and spend the night there. Hopefully you'll get some fishing in.
Hopefully.
Trinity Islands. What do you reckon?
Not bad.
Yeah, it's really nice. Some really nice caravan sites here.
Never seen someone make such hard work out of using a kayak in my life. She's bogged. But she's finally away. How long till she falls in? That's the question.
Hello. So we last night we spent the night in Harvey Bay with friends Pete and Deb, who we met in Port Hedland.
Port Hedland, yeah.
So we went and stayed with them for the night because they are heading off on a... I've got a bug on me. They are heading off on their trip in May, so we wanted to catch up with them before they go.
So up there for a night?
Yeah. And now we are at a place called Leafy Lane Lakes. Is that it?
It's right near the highway.
Bruce Highway.
Just like the sunny coast, basically, inland from Coolum.
Yeah, it's not bad, so I will show you. You can actually see the bottom of the rainbow in the...
It's fine in the lake.
Yeah. New balls.
Oh, which one do you want first? Angel? Let's go.
Morning everyone. It's been a few days since we have updated you what we've been up to. So we are back in the Gold Coast staying with our friends. We got here the day before Anzac Day and spent Anzac Day with them. Had a very wet Anzac Day. We got absolutely drenched at the dawn service, but that's okay. You got to do it, so that's what we did. Yeah, so we were supposed to leave today, but we're a little bit in limbo, just trying to wait and hear about Ryan starting work for a little while. So we're just going to hang around here with our friends for a bit longer and yeah, see what happens. So today Ryan and I are going to go for a drive around the Gold Coast. I think we're going to go down to the bottom and then kind of work our way back up. That's kind of the plan. We'll just check it out. It's a beautiful sunny day out there today, so should be good. So we're at Tweed Heads at the moment, checking out Snapper Rocks.
Yeah.
It's quite pretty actually, isn't it?
It is, yeah. Just installing a new door. They didn't tell you about. So something we've noticed with Queensland drivers is that They can't merge.
and they cause gridlock.
Everyone wants to get right to the front of the left lane before they have to merge instead of just slipping in nicely and easily. And then it just stops like this.
It's not that hard really.
No, it's not. 1,724th time, Ryan is trying to catch a freshwater fish.
There we go.
See what happens. Check out the caramel in this caramel slice. Thin layer of biscuit, thin layer of chocolate, and all caramel. Nice.
So let's go for all the bits. Like,
I can do that. So we're smoking a whole pumpkin today.
make a pumpkin soup.
Yeah, so we've got onion, carrot,
Garlic.
all that stuff. Nice. Verdict on the pumpkin curry soup. Oh, there we go.
Good.
It's pretty tasty. Well, hello everyone. It's been a while.
Only 2 weeks.
Probably a bit longer than that, I don't know. Yeah.
Okay.
We just spent 2 weeks in Yandina to stop and do some work. And yeah, so we left today and we are heading to Kenilworth. Not just for the bakery, but pretty much for the bakery. Yeah, so we left Yandina today and we're heading there today, and this video is on the new GoPro that I have after our little accident a few weeks back. So thank you GoPro subscription, and yeah, heading to Kenilworth. We've just been for a walk down the main street of Kenilworth and got a few goodies. Didn't we, Ryan? Mm-hmm. So we of course went to the Kenilworth bakery and we got, yeah, some donuts. Then we went to the Kenilworth dairy and got some cheese, some yogurts, some chocolate mousse, and what else did we get? Oh, ice cream. We got little mini ice creams. So all in all, that was a pretty good haul. Hello, caramel sliced donut. Oop, sugar. Make sure it's halved. Oh, it's actually harder to cut. That's really solid. Made it. We are currently staying at the Kenilworth Showgrounds, which is great, right in town.
Yeah, it's literally right in town.
Yeah, so we are just going for a little sunset walk to the pub.
Yeah. Sunset view at the pub.
Does anyone else get really excited when Aldi bring out
new different meal kits, because I do, and I can't wait to give this one a go.